What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. It is a hot one today. I am sweating and I've been all day. Just got home from work, and as a lot of you guys know and are probably wondering, where on earth is my exhaust tip? This is a standard FloPro 5-inch exhaust pipe. At the end it flares out here. Not really sure why, but it flares out. So a lot of you are probably like, bro, where's the tip? And today, what do you know? We're talking tips. And does tip size, does it really matter? Now here we go. If you guys have been watching the channel for a little bit, a few videos back, you've seen this tip was black. I had it media blasted and it's now semi better. But this is your standard 5 to 8-inch tip. I had this giant tip, as you can see, hello, on my last Cummins. It was a 5.9 2006. And I had this on the 5-inch exhaust that was on the truck. I'm gonna tell you right now, it is big, it is obnoxious, and no matter where you go, you will have people being like, what on earth is that? I'd have whole landscaping crews sitting in their truck like. A common misconception, as dumb as this sounds, a lot of people think that exhaust tips change the sound of your exhaust. You may get a little bit different sound based on if a tip is this big, but I'm not talking like it's not going to make your pipe louder. It's just going to echo more, and it's going to be such a hardly noticeable difference. Don't think the bigger the tip, the bigger the sound, because that is completely incorrect. The thing that'll make your car, truck, Jeep louder is an exhaust pipe, you know, different headers, stuff like that. Those kind of mods will make your car louder. Exhaust tips do not. They are completely aesthetic. However, trucks without tips look kind of weird. So here is your standard 5 to 8-inch tip. As you can see, that is your 5-inch, and it grows to 8 inches in diameter. I could put this on my truck, and it would be completely obnoxious. Gigantic. Look at that. Not gonna lie, on bigger trucks, I mean like the trucks that are really jacked up, it looks really good, big tips. My truck is, right now, it's lifted 6.5 inches. So I wanted a modest, clean looking tip. If you guys follow me on Instagram and you saw my Instagram story, you know we got a box of goodies today. This box is from our friends at Rolling Big Power. Now I want to say thank you to Rolling Big Power for joining me on this build, and I can say that we might be having a few more goodies coming down the road. So what is in this box, you might ask? I honestly didn't know this was going to be this cool when she said she would send this, but I opened the box, I was like, wow, that's actually really awesome. Here we go. Are you ready? We have this 3D effect. Look at that. 5-inch to 6-inch exhaust tip. The size difference is incredible. 8 inches, 6 inches. However, the 6-inch on camera looks small because this is sitting right here. But this tip is honestly huge. Like 6 inches is still big. Big to some, not to others, but it's still big. So for my current setup, I decided to go with the 6-inch or 5 to 6-inch exhaust tip, and we're gonna get her installed today. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the, tapered end off this pipe so we can slide it on and see where we want to sit it. Okay, so this isn't a tip problem. This is a FloPro design situation. The way this pipe is designed, it comes down and it bends, and it's a very long bend. It's straight from pretty much here out to where the pipe was, which is like way out here that I cut off. So I put the both tips, the furthest in I can. It stops here, and I mean it sticks way out. And these are 13.5 wide on 10.5 wide wheels and a -25 offset. I mean they stick out pretty far. And this tip was sticking out beyond that. Same thing with the 8-inch. So what I think I'm gonna do, and make this kind of almost one of a kind, we're gonna do a gigantic angle tip to come out diagonally with the back of my bumper. To do that, we're gonna cut in front of the bend here, and the tip will clamp on here, and it'll come out about here. As you can see, we're all the way up to where it goes from 5 to 6 inside of there. Out the side of the truck, clean now. As you can see, look at all the soot that's been getting on my bumper. But look at that. Man, is that sharp with the way the wheels and the tip. It's kind of silver on the inside of the tip. That matches the wheels so good. Oh yeah. Man, I really like that placement too. It's kind of like an axle dump without the axle dump. Same kind of angle, down and out, but what do we call it? Guys, what do we call this? In the comments below, let me know. What do we call it? 3/4 dump? I don't know. Just quarter dump? Quarter dump? Corner dump? 3/4 dump? Because it ain't no side exit and ain't no axle dump. But wow, that's actually a cool setup. Last thing to do is tighten it up. Not like it's going anywhere anyway. It's so darn tight on this thing. That looks sharp. Let me close this door. Oh yeah, and adds a little more black. Also, another good thing with the tip coming out here, it's not going to get so much, you know, road crap slung all over the tip. That was the problem with this one. All the black got, you know, pretty much sandblasted off there from all the dirt on the road. But that, ooh, clean setup. Now the only thing that'll really set this truck off, the black taillights. I gotta work on that, but I'm super excited, super happy about that exhaust tip. Not gonna lie, I was like, do I really want it coming out straight like that? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Like I said, guys, thank you to Rolling Big Power for hooking us up with this, as I have soot all over my face. But thank you to Rolling Big Power for hooking it up with this and hooking me up with some gear to go along with it. Ooh, baby. If you guys could do that one thing for me, head over to Lady RBP on Instagram, comment on our last post, tell her that I sent you there. This could be the start of something crazy cool. So I want to say thank you to Rolling Big Power, thank you to Lady RBP, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this setup, because I think it's pretty cool. So take care. I will see you guys in the next video. That one's gonna be fun too. We got some goodies from FloPro. So thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.